Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might need to move your USDC from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin. This is a straightforward process, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to stay safe. Today, we're walking through how to do this in 2025, keeping in mind that platforms can update their interfaces. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device, a verified KuCoin account, and some USDC in your Phantom wallet. If you're new, download Phantom from their official website and create a wallet if you haven't already. Also, log into your KuCoin account and head to the deposit section for USDC. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet. Once you're in, look for your USDC balance in the Assets tab. Click on it to view details. Now, to withdraw, you'll need to initiate a transfer. Hit the Send button. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. Enter the recipient address. Go back to KuCoin, navigate to the deposit page for USDC, and copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right. Paste this address into the To field in Phantom. Don't forget to select the USDC network. It's probably Solana, since Phantom is a Solana-based wallet. Step 3. Specify the amount. Decide how much USDC you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance first to avoid any surprises. Once you're set, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and the destination address. Step 4. Confirm and send. If everything looks good, hit Confirm in Phantom. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometrics. After that, the transfer should process on the blockchain. This can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams. In 2025, crypto security is more important than ever, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from Phantom to KuCoin. Once it arrives, you can trade or withdraw to your bank. If you run into any issues, check the official docs or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.